Next class is about interactive video magazine with animation, right? So this is already a completed work. Okay, I'll redo again the same work. This is my design actually, right? So here the videos coming from the outside and inside here, right? So when you click the button here, so went inside and play the video, and when you click on that cross button here, so it will go back again, right? So this one is this for the first video, and the second is come inside, and when you click this second cross mark, this will go back side, right? And this is the third, the video will come inside and use this button and go back, right? So let us check actually what are these things. So we'll create all again, then we'll understand actually, right? So first I'll take new document. Okay, this is interactive video magazine. So it's an interactive video magazine with animation, right? So here I'll use the pixels instead of inches. Okay, I'm taking 800 pixels width and a height 1200 pixels. Okay, and then give the name. Video magazine with the animation new. Okay, so here I'm taking 3 pages actually. So these 2 pages will get into 2, that is a the blob, that one, right? The left and right pages will appear, the first page will go outside, right? Here I'm taking 3 pages, so create this one. Now see your pages, now you'll understand. Is that right? So this won't come any design because it is the first page, and here second and third, otherwise the middle pages, the blob, other pages here. Okay, and here the whole design again I'm not going to do all this. So because it takes time. So as a designer, you know how to design all these things. So myself, from my side, I did my design, right? So this class is not about to do a design. So as a designer, you do your design, right? But here I'm going to explain about this buttons, adding buttons to videos. Through buttons we add animations to your videos, right? So that is my main intention here. Okay, so here I'll show you by layers. Now you'll understand. Okay, this is the first page, all the reference set. I use my images here. This is my image. Okay, and here the main pic, nothing is there, just simply you can remove this one, nothing is there. These are all my text. Okay, so create a separate layer for the text, and here these are my transparent the boxes here. So these are the boxes I use, transparent boxes, and here this is my the left side image, my design, my a drawing here. These are the buttons. See here, these are the buttons. It's a very important. So I have to create all these things again. And here, these are my videos. Okay, see the buttons here. Now you'll understand. See the buttons here. So first video open and first video closed, second video open, second video closed, and third video open, third video closed. Okay, so we have to arrange this in the button layer. And here these are the videos. So for the videos here, the 3 videos I have, see, the one by one are placed. Okay, and the same place and the same size. It's very important to place exact same to same on the same place. Okay, these are for the videos. Okay, so these are all other remaining my design stuff. Okay, now we have to focus on this. Okay, so then here what I am doing here, so we'll place all the same stuff here again, and suppose this. So I'll take all these things. This except these videos and the buttons. These are. I select all, everything. So Control C and come here. Here I'm using Control Alt Shift V. Right. So now the entire stuff added. Let us check the both the designs. Yeah, the both are same. Okay. Now here we have to create the buttons first. So let us save this one. Control S. This is yes. New. Just save. That's okay. So I'm giving here the new name. Entire design. This is my entire design. So everything here inside, right? Because it is static. The design is static. Okay, I'll log this one. And here I'm creating the new layer. I'll give the name here. Let us say buttons. Button. These are buttons, right? So we have to create the buttons. Okay, and again, so one more layer I'm creating. Give the name videos. Videos. Okay. First, import the videos. Import the videos here. Okay. So how to import videos here? Come on to window menu. Here from interactive. Okay. There is a media. Click on the media. So media is added here. Okay. In this media box, here you can add your media. Place a video or a audio file. Clearly observe here. Place a video or audio file. Just click on here. Here we have 4 videos. I am adding 4 videos. So open. And here I am dragging here. This is and one more on that. This is second, and this is the third one, and here it is the fourth one. Okay, check the videos here. So this is the first one, this is the second one, the third one, this is the fourth one, right? Yeah. Now see, first click on the first video here. So in media panel, box or window, your video is displaying here. So click here. So there is a video here showing. That's it. So here, right? So if you want to change the thumbnail, the poster frame, that means what? The poster frame, if you want to change very interesting poster frame, yeah, make it this is good, right? From the current one, right? This is my plain page load, okay, plain loop. So plain page load and plain loop, timing, don't use all these things, okay. And now up the visibility of this one. Now click this video and again the same. Yeah, this is right. And again lock this one and up the visibility of this one, and come here and see your previews, actually this media items what you have downloaded, I mean inserted into media box. So again this one also. Now see this one. That's it. Okay, so these are all my videos, right? Okay, done. So for timing, use Control S. Using Control S. So select all your the videos here and make it center here. So select all. Select all and give the center here. Okay, then drag all at a time. So keep all these things here. Okay, these are all my videos, right? So now we have to create the buttons. Keep this media for timing close or otherwise, and come to buttons here. Here in this portion we have to add the buttons. Okay, here my button will be suppose like I use this ellipse tool here. I'm using Alt Shift here. Okay, here want to fill green color. But here I want to write on that play 1. So what is the name? Play 1. Play 1 means play one video, the first video, like. So go this central element and drag this here. So here I want to use any bold one. Yeah, this is. Make it big size. Yes, this is. Okay, play 1 here. Decrease the size of this one. Yeah, this much is enough. Okay, now I'm using Control G, group. Okay, now I'll take 4 copies. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and again I'll duplicate all this. I'm using Alt and keyboard, and I duplicated here. Okay, that's it. So these are, the first one is play 1. After play 1, I'm giving the name here. Stop 1. Otherwise give name. So play 1 or send 1 or back 1. I'm using stop 1. So I'm changing the color also. So here is a red color. And this name here, play 2, play 2, and this is the stop. I'll remove all these things and I'll duplicate this one. So Alt and drag, and Alt drag, and Alt drag. Okay, these are. arrange properly. So it's very important, right? So arrangement. Okay, then give the name here. Suppose here I'm using stop 1, and here this is stop 2, and here this is stop 3, and here this is stop 4. And that's it. Now select this one. I'm using Control G, group. Yeah, these are all in group only. Okay, Control S. Okay. Now we have to add these properly here. Yeah, this is, yes. Now what you have to do, these videos will move inside and play there here, right? So for that, to align those videos, so here add guides here to match that a video. Okay. And suppose this is your actual the video, the size here. Suppose when it enter inside, so the size will be so here the video will play here. Okay, so I'm using the guides here to mark that exact length. Yeah, this is, so these are all for the center position, right? So my video should come inside, and here that will play. Okay, so now select this one and drag to back and place on that. Yeah, this is done. For the placement here, check the alignments, the proper the alignments here. Okay, so I'm using Control S here. And then what we'll do, this is the first the one video, so lock other videos for timing. This is the active one. So on this we have to add some animation, right, on this video. So for that, there is a window, and here interactive, and there is an animation. Okay, so for this animation we have to add one line. So as per that line guidance, that will move inside, right? So for that I'm using line tool here, otherwise pen tool you can take, better you can take pen tool. So here from this point to here I'm using shift here, yes, and this is my line. For timing, that line will be in black, or you can change it to any other color. Okay, so for timing I'm changing this to white so that that will visible, that will get visible. So this is my line and move to here. Okay, now select that line and this first video, these two, right, this line and this first video select, and now come here, select this sender and these two. It is not selected again. Yeah, this sender and these two, right? After selecting, see for the animation, the window panel here, there is convert to motion path. Here we have motion path. So select on that, click on that, the motion path is added. Okay, so that means what will happen with that motion path? Suppose if you click here, then we'll understand what is happening. So there it is coming inside, right? So beautifully it is coming inside. Again I'm clicking on that button, it is coming inside evenly. Okay, because the motion path here showing even the dots here. See here, if you observe here, the motion path are showing here the even lines. Okay, suppose if you want some different movement for that, here you can choose, the options are there, speed, none, ease in, ease out. So ease in means will come faster and out slowly. Suppose if I click on ease in, now see here, it is starting from outside slowly and reaching inside very fast. Okay, if you click here, then you will understand the difference between these two, right? So that is, and if you apply the other one, the ease out, so ease out means, if you observe here, see my cursor here, the dots, very close dots are showing. That means your action will be very slower here, and here it is very faster, right? So let us check here, you will understand. Yes, this is another one, but the another one is last one. Here it is showing ease in, ease out. What is that? Here at the starting point, the animation starts very slowly and the middle one very fast, and that will reach inside slowly. So click here and see here. Yeah, this is okay. Again click here, you'll understand. This is right. Okay, here I'm using ease in, ease out. Okay, the animate from current appearance. Okay, so keep this as display, and the events are on page load, no, on page click. Okay, so on page click, and the rotation, if you want to add any rotations to that, you can add the rotations, okay, degrees of the rotations, but I don't want any rotations. Scaling, suppose in animation, if you want to grow at the particular area, the inside, after reaching your the frame at the middle portion, if you want to grow your animation, you can increase the size and height also. And opacity, suppose after reaching inside, so if you want to add any fade in, fade outs, you can add, right? So I'm not adding anything. Visibility hide until animated, so I don't want to use all these things. Okay, this is nice. Okay, now we have to add a button for this. So suppose this is the play, Okay, and here I'm using interactive, and I'm using buttons and forms. This is the play button, and give the name button, and this is the button, so give the name play one, the play one, and giving the name same name, and the event on releaser tab. So here on click, the actions are okay, animation, actions are animation. What type of animation? Women fight with a screaming girl, right? So this is my animation. Here I am adding this one. The options are play, should be display, and click here. Okay, this is nice. And let us check what will happen. Let's see that, then we'll understand. See, when I clicking on the first play button, yes, it is coming that inside. This is nice. Okay, but it should go inside, back, because after the clicking this, it is coming inside, but when you stop on that, it should go back. Okay, so again come here, click on the stop one, so select this one, the stop one here, and add the name. It is a button again, and give the name the stop one, and the event is releaser tab. So again it is an click, the action, of course it is also an animation. Okay, the woman fight the screaming girl, so this is the same it is. And options should not play, so after playing you have to give the reverse, so that will go back, so reverse I am applying, and again it is click. And now see the animation, what will happen. Okay, here, so click here and apply this, it is going back, coming and going back. That's good. Fantastic. So again here in events on page load, okay, should be an a page click. Now see this one. Okay, so it is coming inside without clicking on that. Should be an page click. And this button, this also, this will uncheck this one on page click. Yeah, this is, and here also I'll use on page click. Yes, let us check now. Yeah, this is, now see the video is not visible here. After clicking the play, it is coming, and after clicking this stop, it is going back. Perfect, fantastic, this is right. So give Control S. This is nice. Yeah, we did the animation for the first video. So close here, visibility also close, and on the second video, this is the woman here. So here also we have to create the same line, here the line. So what I'll do, suppose here I added the line here, right? So this is the line, right? So I'm using Control C, copied that line. Now I'm here, I'm using Control Alt Shift V, so that my line, no sorry, it is not added that line. So I'll check again here. Yeah, this is the line actually, the visibility of this line. Yeah, here. I'll add one more line here because it is converted already into that path. Okay. So better we copy this. I'll add the roller here. Don't confuse here. So this is, yeah, up to here I'll add. Okay, now the rollers are very important. Sometimes we have to add the measurements, the positions. Okay, now off this one. Now come here. So from this center point to here, I'm adding the line, pen line. So from here to here. So this is the center line here. This is, and change this color to white. This is white. Okay, I'll copy this because we have two other buttons are there. So I'll copy this. So Control C. Okay, and Control Alt Shift V, and again Control Alt Shift V. So two more added here. These are the lines added. Okay, so of the visibility of this one, and of the visibility of this one, and lock. Now this is my line. Okay, now select this video clip, where it is, what is the name, the skipping girl, right? So this is, now this and this line, select these two. Okay, this line and this skipping girl. Okay, select these two and come to your animation, this panel here, and there here it is showing convert to motion path. Just click here. The motion path is added. Okay, so it is went reverse actually. So this we have to reverse this one, this line. Select this one. So right click, transform, and suppose flip horizontal to flipped. Okay, now this and this video, select these two, and here I am applying convert to motion path. Okay, now your motion path is added. Now see here, and again is giving the evenness. Okay, so I don't want the evenness, I want to add ease in, ease out. Okay, ease in, ease out added, and check the video, then you'll understand what is happening. This is nice. Okay, good. And check all this. So the before, like, I don't want use all these things. Okay, now come to the buttons. For the second video, this is the play 2, and I'm giving the name as a button. Okay, and here the play 2 button, and events on releaser tab, so it should be on click, and actions are animation, of course, animation, and the animation is not a skipping video, I mean not fight with the screaming girl. The skipping video is very important, right, because we are animating the skipping a video. Okay, the skipping video, and options are of course play only and on click. Okay, after that come to here, the events on page load, no, on page click. After page click only, that should play. So let us check this one. This is the second one. I'm playing. Yes. So for the reverse action, we have to add the button. Okay. Now come to stop to and give the name button. The name is stop to. That's good. And event on click, the action, of course, animation again, and woman animation is not for that. So skipping for this video, you have to choose this one, and options are not play, should be back or reverse. Okay, and again click here and come to our animation here, and again here on page click should be on page click, on page click. And now see the preview here. Now see the play, the second video is coming inside, and this is going back. Fantastic, right? So I'm using Control S. This is nice. Move to another video. So lock this one and up the visibility of this one. And now this is what the third video, the fruits. So this is the fruit one, and this is the another line. Suppose I added here. Okay, the better change this line, the reverse it, because from here to here the line drawn, so instead of this side, so that's why we have to reverse this line. So right click here, transform, flip horizontal, so flip horizontally. Now that line and this video, select these two, this line and this fruits video, and now come to here, the animation panel, convert to motion path. Okay, the motion path is here, and again I'm using the same ease in, ease out, and I don't want all these options right now. Okay, and come here, and this is the events are not this one, on page click. Okay, now Here's something we did wrong. The name is not given properly. 1, 2, 3. Here we have to give the name. This one. So what I'll do Control Z. Control Z. Yeah, this is actually this will be the third. Yeah, this is third, and here this will be a fourth. Yes, this is now here. Now select this line. The line is there. Okay, that line is that deleted, so I'll copy this one, Control C, and I'll come here, and Control Alt Shift V. Yes. This is right. Yeah, now this and this. Select these two. Okay, and here I am adding convert to a motion path. So motion path is reversed here. Yes. So we have to do one thing. So this you have to reverse. So right click here, transform, flip horizontal. Control Z. Yeah, this is transform, flip horizontal. Select these two, this and this. I'm using this one, the convert to a motion path. Okay, the motion path is added here, and here I'm using on page load, and the presets are, I'm not using any presets here, and instead of that speed I'm using ease in, ease out. Okay, this is nice. Okay, so let us check. So what is happening here? This is nice. Okay, so button is not added right now, so we add the button here. Okay, next, come to bit closer. Yeah, this is the third button. Here I am giving name the button, and this is for play 3. play 3, and this is on click and action animation. Okay, and here we have 3 videos, but the skipping video and woman fight is over. Now this is connect to a fruit video. So fruit video, and options are play only, and this is on click. Okay, and come here and then page load. So here and page click only. Okay, let us check. So we'll understand what is happening here. This is, and this is for another one, and this is for this one. So because that videos are closed here. Okay, next this is yes. Now come to stop 3, the button, and add this one, the button, and stop 3, stop 3, and the event is on click, and this is animation, and this is for the fruit video. The option is a reverse. Okay, and here it is the page click only. Okay, let us see this one. It's coming and going back. Fantastic. So what are these things? The women screaming, right? So this is, yeah. So click here. Now see, this is the first one, I think. So reload this one. Click here. It is coming and it is going back. Fantastic. And what about the skipping girl? The skipping girl. I refresh this button here. Now this is the skipping girl. So coming inside and going back. So up to these 3 buttons are over. Okay. Now I'm using Control S. Now come to another video. So that is what walking. Yeah, this is up the visibility of this one, right? This is the video, and here one more the line is there. This is a line, right? So select this line and select this video. Of course, this line I'll use right click and transform and flip horizontal. Okay. Now this line and this video, select and come to your animation, this panel, and convert to motion path here. And as usually I am using the speed for ease in, ease out. Okay, I am not going to change anything here. This should be on page click. Done. Let's come here. So this is my button here. This is the fourth one. So again button, and give the name play 4, and event is on click. Action should be an animation, and the animation is here walking forward. This is okay, and options are play, and this is on click. This is fine. Fantastic. And next come to a stop. So click here, and this is again the button. The name is stop 4. Stop 4, and the event is on click. The action is animation, and here in animation should apply to walking forward, and the options are reverse, and this is on click. This should be in page click only. Okay, so let us check the preview here. Yeah, this is the click here. The video is coming inside, and this is going back. Now let us check all at a time. I'm using Control S. Okay, I'll refresh this button. First I'm using for the first video. The click here, it is coming and it is going back. So play, then we'll understand. So what is happening? You can make it this preview a more bit bigger. This is, and play this one. This is nice. Okay, and should go back inside. Went back and click here. The second one coming inside. Sorry. Yeah. So refresh this button. Sometimes this will happen. So refresh this button. Yes, apply this as second one, right? And again the play this one. Stop this one, right? And just go back. So refresh sometimes because it is in loop, so that will go inside. Okay, and the next one, yes, and play this one. Yes, should go back. Okay, and again refresh this one, and this is, yeah, play this one. Fantastic, right? So it should be back and back, and close this one. Okay. Now here what I am doing, I want to publish my entire animation. Suppose this is my work. I want to upload this one. So Control S. So to do that, from file there is a publish online. In publish online, it is showing interactive video magazine with animation new, and if you want to give any description, you can give. I'm not doing all these things, so publish this one. So uploading your document, that will create the link. So that link you can paste anywhere and see your content and your animation. Yes, it is 93%. Because it is uploading the 4 videos, it has links. This is the link, right? So you can copy this link or paste or view document, right? So suppose here you can copy this link, and I use my this Google, and here I'll paste this one. Interactive video max, and of course this is the first page. We didn't do anything, right? So this here and here, see, this is here. Okay, though here in saving time you have to choose the both sides at a time. Now see the play one here. So this is, now play this one. So that's it, and go back, and now play 2. You can see this. Fantastic. And stop 2 and went back, and I'm using play 3. And now see. So buffering it. That's it. So should be back. Now I'm using the last one, play 4, and play here. Front back, right? So this is the interactive video magazine with the animation.